Do you have a clogged sink in your kitchen or a clogged drain in your bathtub? In this video, we'll share an effective, non-toxic, and inexpensive way to use vinegar and baking soda to unclog and clean drains in your home. At some point while you have lived in your residence, you've probably noticed the drain in your kitchen sink, bathroom, or shower start to slow down. Either due to being busy and having no time or, like many, just too tired to deal with it, you ignore it, and next thing you know, the water is not going down at all and you have a plugged drain. Blocked and clogged drains are among the most irritating and challenging dilemmas people often encounter around the house. People turn to readily available, commercial, store-bought cleaners. However, while these solutions prove effective, they are harsh, damaging, and expensive. The good thing is that you can use baking soda and vinegar to unplug and even clean drains. Baking soda and vinegar are a powerful duo that is a quick fix and effective for cleaning many drain problems. Together they can help dissolve clogs around the kitchen, toilet, and bathroom drains. These two household staples are not only for the science fair. The solution is an efficient clog remover that's inexpensive, environmentally friendly, and safe. Does your drain suffer from a significant clog? In this article, we'll gladly show you how to take the DIY route of using baking soda and vinegar for your drain cleaning problems. Can baking soda and vinegar clean drains? Baking soda and vinegar are household staples that can do wonders for your home, such as cleaning appliances, clothes, mineral deposits like limescale, and clogged or smelly drains. As a natural base, baking soda is a compound that helps dissolve organic materials like hair and grease that we often spot in the drain. As we are all familiar, vinegar consists of acetic acid and water. On top of everything, baking soda holds disinfectant properties that help fight fungi and other odor-causing bacteria. Once baking soda and vinegar are combined, the two create a powerful force in the form of a chemical reaction, breaking down all the dirt and grime found in your drain. Using baking soda mixed with vinegar regularly prevents clogs from forming in your drain in the first place. Is it safe to use baking soda and vinegar to clean a drain? If used properly, baking soda and vinegar are safe to clean a clogged drain. These two staples are safe, non-toxic, and eco-friendly. When mixed, baking soda and vinegar create carbon dioxide that can significantly clean and eliminate harmful bacteria and remove blockages that cause foul odors in your drain. How long should you leave baking soda and vinegar in a drain? Household experts tell us it's best to leave the mixture of baking soda and vinegar in your drain for around 30 minutes. After this time, you can safely rinse and flush your drain using hot or boiling water to remove the excess. Using this process will help push debris out of the plumbing pipes and, in turn, allow liquids to flow through the pipes easily. How to use baking soda and vinegar to clean the inside of a drain. While a severely clogged drain often calls for the help of a professional plumber, baking soda and vinegar can prove to be a quick fix for the clogged drain. When mixed, the solution efficiently pushes the sludge through the pipes, allowing the water to flow easily. At the onset, you can use hot water for your drain warm up. Then drop around 1/2 cup of baking soda and vinegar. Close the drain and let the solution soak for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, rinse the drain again, another round for the best results. How to unclog a drain with baking soda and vinegar. Do you have a clogged drain? Use this simple hack of a baking soda and vinegar mixture to solve your plumbing problem now. Things you'll need: boiling water, dish soap, baking soda, vinegar. Instructions. Step 1. Pour the boiling water down the drain for a quick warm-up. This initial step will aid in softening tough clogs and helping clean the drain quickly. Step 2. Using a bowl, add 1 cup of vinegar and a cup of baking soda, mix, and then pour the solution down the drain slowly. Step 3. Close the drain with its plug and let the mixture sit for around 30 minutes to give it ample time to unclog the drain. Step 4. Put more boiling water down the drain to rinse any excess, flush the debris, and eliminate the remaining clog from the drain. Benefits of using baking soda and vinegar as a drain cleaner. There are a bunch of benefits that come with using a baking soda and vinegar mixture as a drain cleaner. One of the best things about these two ingredients is that you can buy them at almost any store. This mixture is also a convenient, affordable, and easy-to-use hack that can save and maintain your drains in the long run. In addition, Baking soda and vinegar are much safer to use than commercial drain cleaners often found on the market. Since these cleaners contain toxic elements, they can be damaging and corrosive. When people come in contact with these substances, it might cause severe burns on their skin. Not only that, if they spill on the floor or other areas, they could damage or ruin that area. Finally, baking soda and vinegar are environmentally friendly. Conclusion: indeed, baking soda and vinegar are quick fixes and a non-toxic, inexpensive go-to when you have clogged and blocked drain problems around the house. Follow this guide to clean and unplug your dirty drains today. If you want to learn how to use baking soda to clean other areas in your home, watch the video above. And I want to leave you with this question. Have you ever used vinegar and baking soda to unplug and clean your drains? What was the result? Let me know in the comments below.